If your drone business runs entirely on you remembering to follow up, manually scheduling shoots, and hoping clients pay on time, you're one busy month away from everything falling apart. Your client communication, scattered across texts, emails, and forgotten phone calls. Your booking process, a mess of back and forth scheduling that takes hours. Your follow-up system, whatever you remember to do between flights. And suddenly, you're working 80-hour weeks just to keep up with the business you thought you wanted? Sound familiar? Most successful drone pilots hit this wall right when their business starts taking off. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the most profitable drone pilots focus on systems first, scaling second, and why trying to grow without automation is like trying to fly a drone with a broken controller. Let me paint a picture that probably hits close to home. You finally found your niche. Maybe you're crushing it with real estate agents, or you've become the go-to wedding drone pilot in your area. The work is flowing in. Your calendar is filling up. You're making real money for the first time. But here's what nobody warns you about. Success without systems becomes its own prison. Meet Tom. He built an amazing reputation shooting for real estate agents. Word of mouth was bringing in more work than he could handle. But Tom was doing everything manually. Every inquiry came through different channels. Every booking required multiple phone calls. Every payment was a separate chase-down process. Tom was spending 3 hours on administrative work for every 1 hour of actual flying. He was booked solid, but barely profitable after factoring in his time. Worse, Tom started making mistakes. Double-booked shoots, forgot to follow up with paying clients, lost potential customers who didn't hear back from him for days. His reputation started suffering just when his business should have been thriving. Now, meet Lisa. Wedding drone specialist, premium pricing, high-end venues, dream clients. But Lisa's booking process was a nightmare. Couples would email her, she'd respond with availability, they'd go back and forth on dates, packages, pricing. Each booking took an average of 12 touch points and 3 weeks to close. During wedding season, Lisa was spending 30 hours a week just on email communication. She was turning away good clients simply because she couldn't keep up with the administrative load. The breaking point? Lisa missed a major booking because she forgot to respond to an inquiry for 5 days. The couple went with someone else and posted about it in a local wedding group. That one mistake cost her $3,500 and damaged her reputation in front of hundreds of potential clients. Finally, there's Marcus. Commercial drone work, construction sites, inspections, corporate videos. Marcus was great at the flying part, terrible at the business part. Invoices would sit unsent for weeks. Follow-ups never happened. Clients would forget about projects because Marcus never maintained contact. His average time to payment, 67 days. His cash flow was a constant stress, even with good contracts. Marcus was technically successful, but constantly broke because he couldn't systematize the money collection process. Here's the truth: most drone pilots learn too late. Your technical skills got you started, but your systems will determine if you scale or fail. The most profitable drone pilots aren't necessarily the best flyers. They're the ones who built businesses that run without them constantly managing every detail. But here's where most drone pilots go wrong when they try to systematize. They think systems means spending thousands on fancy software or hiring virtual assistants they can't afford yet. Real systematization starts with automation. Simple, predictable workflows that handle the repetitive stuff so you can focus on flying and growing. Here's the framework that turns chaotic drone businesses into profit machines. Step 1. Automate your lead capture. Every inquiry should automatically enter your system. Get an instant response and start a follow-up sequence. No more lost leads because you forgot to check email. No more prospects going cold because they didn't hear back fast enough. Step 2. Systematize your booking process. From initial inquiry to signed contract should be a smooth, automated workflow that requires minimal manual intervention. Clients should be able to see your availability, understand your packages, and book themselves without 10 back and forth emails. Step 3. automate your payment collection. Invoices should be automatically generated and sent. Follow-ups should happen without you remembering them. Late payment reminders should be systematic, not personal stress. Step 4. Build your follow-up engine. Past clients should automatically enter nurture sequences that keep you top of mind for repeat work and referrals. Most drone pilots leave thousands on the table because they never systematically follow up with previous clients. Step 5. Create your reputation system. Reviews should be automatically requested. Testimonials should be systematically collected. Your reputation should build itself through automated processes. When these 5 systems work together, something magical happens. Your business starts running itself. Inquiries get handled immediately, even when you're flying. Bookings happen while you sleep. Payments arrive on schedule. Past clients remember you when they need more work. Tom implemented these systems and cut his administrative time from 60% of his week to 15%. His profit margins doubled because he could actually focus on high-value activities. Lisa automated her wedding booking process and reduced her average time to close from 3 weeks to 3 days. Her booking rate increased 40% because prospects got immediate responses and clear next steps. Marcus set up automated invoicing and follow-up sequences. His average time to payment dropped from 67 days to 12 days. His cash flow stress disappeared overnight. But here's the best part about systematization. It doesn't just make your current business more profitable, it makes scaling actually possible. When your systems handle the routine work, you can take on more clients without working more hours. You can raise your prices because your service delivery becomes more professional. You can focus on business development instead of administrative chaos. Most importantly, you can actually take time off without your business falling apart. The drone pilots who scale successfully don't just get good at flying. They get good at building businesses that fly themselves. Here's what I'm offering: a complete done-for-you drone business automation system. It's a plug-and-play system that handles everything I just described. Lead capture, booking automation, payment processing, follow-up sequences, review collection. The entire client journey from inquiry to repeat customer. This isn't some generic business software. It's specifically designed for drone service businesses with templates and workflows built around how drone clients actually buy. You can literally have this entire system set up and running in your business within 24 hours. The system includes automated email sequences written specifically for drone services, booking calendars that integrate with your schedule, payment processing that works with project-based pricing, and follow-up campaigns that generate repeat business and referrals. Most drone pilots spend months trying to piece together different software solutions and never get them working together properly. This system does everything in one integrated platform, designed specifically for service-based drone businesses. The automation system normally sells for $2,500, but I'm offering it as a complete done-for-you setup for drone pilots who are ready to systematize and scale. Click the link below to see the system in action and get it installed in your business. Because the difference between drone pilots who struggle and drone pilots who scale isn't skill level. It's systems level. Stop running your business on hope and manual processes. Start running it on systems that work while you focus on what you do best: flying drones and serving clients. The best time to systematize was when you first started. The second best time is right now.